Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn our framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learning about how to pass record ID to get current contact record detail using Lightning Record View form and Lightning Output Field Element in LWC component. So friends, here we will be display current contact record detail using the data service of the Lightning Record View form and data will be displayed on the Lightning Output Field Element in LWC component. Here we will be display current contact record detail without writing a slash controller and we will be display the current contact record detail in LWC component. So follow these steps to achieve this scenario. To achieve this scenario, we need to follow two type of steps. Step number 1 and step number 2. So in the step number 1, first we go to the contact object and open any of the record of contact. Then go to the gear icon. There is a edit page. Once edit the page of the record, here we will be call my LWC component to the detail page of the contact. So here I call my LWC component. Here you can see in the LWC component visible first name, last name, email, phone, title and description. So based on the contact record, here I am displaying the detail of the contact. That is the first name, last name, email, phone, title and description. So here I am displaying current record of contact based on the Lightning Record View form and that detail value I am displaying into the Lightning Output Field element. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce org where we will be see live demo scenario how to get current contact record detail using Lightning Record View form in LWC component. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. In the Salesforce credential org, I open my LWC component into the Lightning Studio. This is my LWC component. Name is a LWC record con detail. This is a LWC component. This is a component JavaScript and this is a meta XML file. So in the LWC component, first I create a Lightning card. Inside the Lightning card, I creating a div and here I am applying a CSS class. SLDSP around medium. So this class will be give space inside the container of div. Then inside the div, I am using h3. This is a title. So in the title, first I creating a icon. Then I am passing a title of the page. So here I am mentioning how to apply Lightning Record View form to show contact detail using record ID in Lightning Web Component LWC. So friends, first I applying h3, that is a display title of the page. Then I am applying Lightning Record View form. So here I am using Lightning Record View form, that is a data service of Salesforce. Without writing a single code of the Prestlas controller, we will be get the current record of the contact. So here you can see in the Lightning Record View form, this is a data service tag that is provided by the Salesforce. So based on this Lightning Record View form, I will be get the current record ID. So if you using the Lightning Record View form, there are some attribute property will be mandatory. That is a record ID and object API. That means which object of record you want to display and this is a record ID. This is a record ID. So based on this record ID, I will be get the current record detail. So friends, here you can see I using two type of attribute property, record ID and object API name. So in the record ID, I am passing to the record ID. This record ID I created in the JavaScript here. So friends, here you can see in the JavaScript of the component, here I am using @API decorator. So @API that is a global variable and here I am using record ID. So if you are using @API, you must import first API in the import section and here I am creating a record ID that is a @API. This record ID I am calling into the LWC component here. So if you are using Lightning Record View form, there are two attributes property as mandatory, record ID and object API. So here I am passing record ID and object API name I am passing contact because Here I am getting the detail of the contact record based on the record ID. So here I am passing the contact. Inside the written record view form, I created a main div. This is a main container of div. Inside the container of div, I am using different of the div. So each and every div has a lightning input field. So I will be display the value of the contact detail in the lightning output field. So here I am using lightning output field. So first I am using lightning record view form. Inside the lightning record view form, I am using lightning output field. So if you are using lightning output field, some attribute property are mandatory. That is a field name. So in the lightning output field, here I am using field name. So which field you want to display in the detail. So first here I am displaying the first name of the contact. Then I display the last name. Then I display email, phone, title, and description. So all of this field value display from the contact, and all of the field value display I am using lightning output field. So lightning output field is also provided by the Salesforce. So if we are using the lightning record viewer, it is a data service of the Salesforce. And for the display the value of the record detail, I am using lightning output field. So this is a field name. This is a field name email. This is a field name phone. This is a field name. This is a field name description. So friends, here I am displaying current record detail of contact using the lightning record view form. So friends, here I am not writing single code of the process controller and method. Only using the lightning record view form and display the field value, I am using lightning output field. And in the top here, I am using record ID and object API name. So, and object API name, pass that object name that you want to get the record detail. And this is a record detail. This variable I define in the JavaScript here, and this variable I am passing to the LWC component. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce code where we will call LWC component to display the current record of contact. So now let's move on the Salesforce. Friends, this is my Salesforce org. First go to the contact and open any of the record. Now let me open my first record, Vijay Kumar. Then go to the gear icon and edit the page. Once edit the page, here I will be call my LWC component. So my LWC component name is LWC record con detail. So now let me find LWC record con detail here. LWC record con detail. This is my LWC component. So first I will be select and drag and drop here. Now save and go back. Here you can see based on this record ID, I am fetching current record detail of the contact. So here you can see first name Vijay, last name Kumar, email, business phone, title and description. You can see same data display here. So this is my LWC component that is coming from the Lightning Data Service of component, and this is a standard detail of the Salesforce. So same detail I am displaying in the LWC component here. You can see this is a phone number, this is the name of the person, this is the name of the last name. So you can see this is a Vijay Kumar, this is the name of the first name and last name. If you read the page, you will be get first name and last name, first name and last name. And this is a title, this is a description. So friends, here I am displaying current record detail of the contact based on the record ID. Here I am not writing single code of the process controller. Friends, if you find value in my content, consider making a small donation to support the channel. Friends, as you know, my content is designed to guide you step by step through real world scenarios. I am ensuring, friends, you get practical and hands-on experience inside the tutorial. Friends, if my video bringing value to your learning journey, consider making a small donation to support the continued creation of high quality tutorial for you. Your small donation will motivate me to produce even more in-depth content for you. Friends, I would like to a special thank to everyone for a small donation to support the channel. Friends, after making a small donation, please send me your donation screenshot on my email or WhatsApp. I will send you an exclusive ebook bonus gift with advanced sales for tips, tricks, and strategy to take your skill to the next level. So, friends, by donating, you are not just investing in only your own growth, you are contributing to the success of countless other as well. So, friends, here you are thinking after donating, what you are will we get? bonus as a gift. So now let me explain about what you will be get bonus after donating and support to me. Friends, scan QR code from here and make a small donation to support the channel. After support the channel, please share your screenshot on my email or WhatsApp so that we can send you an exclusive bonus gift on your email. So friends, here you can see I will be sending you bonus gift as 2 ebook. These are the books you are very powerful in the Salesforce. First ebook you are Master of X Trigger and second ebook you are Sales for Tutorial. So friends, both of the ebook published on Amazon. If you check on the Amazon, this is the FX Trigger and this is a Sales for Tutorial. So friends, the FX Trigger, the price on the Amazon is 333 rupees and sales for tutorial, the price on Amazon is 199 rupees. So both of the ebook I will provide as a bonus gift after donating and support to this channel. Friends, so these are the ebook you will be get after donating and supporting to the channel. So friends, after donating a small amount to the channel, please share your screenshot on this email ID and you can share your screenshot on WhatsApp on this phone number. So friends, after making a small donation to this channel, I will be share both of the ebook on your email so that you will be get so many tips, trick and strategy in the Salesforce. So friends, let's grow together, watch, donate and start your journey to get success by today.